Okay, so what next now is to create our create view for sales. So when a user click on sales and want to create a sales or record a sale to display a form, that is what we want to create now. So come here, click on create, copy create inside the sales folder. So under this view, add a new folder called sales. Then under the sales, add a view. You add a view and name it what? Create and what? Add. Make sure you delete this one because we don't need it. So copy this one and what? Paste it here. So this will be our sales view. So what next do we need to do? We need to create, let's see, our index. So this will serve as our index. So when a record has been when a product or when the sales have been recorded, to go back to our index view to display all the sales. So that is why I want to create a view for it so that the user can be able to see all the sales he has done. So now let's copy this one. So it's inside index sales folder. So under index sales folder, you add a view called index and what? You enter, you clean this up and you save. So there's an error because of this. Please don't forget, make sure you change it to what you have in your solution file. So we are done with what? Index view for sales controller. So let's go to our shared layout. So this is very, very, very important. Okay, so after creating our view, what next? Let's see. So we need to create the SQL Server Database. We need to add our migration. We need to add our tables to the database. So there's a command we use, it's called add migration initial create. So you come here and click on tools, click on NuGet Package Manager, click on Manage Console. Come here, add migration initial create, click on add. Automatically to create a migration script that we're going to use to add those tables into what? The database. So you can see the migration script here. So we have two tables. We have the product tables. We have also the sales tables. Okay, we have three tables here and the users table. So all these are referred to as what? Properties, or are referred to as what? Column. So after this, there's another command line called update database. So this automatically will now update the database with those three tables and the columns. So we have to come back here under the same place, just paste it and click on enter. So automatically it will what? Update. So what this has done now is to update all those our tables in the database. So we can come and check for ourselves. So let's open our SQL Server and see if the table has been added. So let's go localhost, you connect and click on open this database. So you can see we have NonnyPOS database. Open it, open these tables. You'll see the three tables that we created in our code. So we have products, we have sales, we have what? User. If you want to open the tables, right click on it and click on select top 1000. So you see the columns that we have there. We have ID, we have name, we have price, we have stock. So automatically the tables have been added. So what next do we need to do? Let's see. So now we are done. So now let's now run our application and see if everything looks according to how we have programmed it from the beginning. So let's go to our Visual Studio. Make sure you save your work and click on this arrow, right arrow here. So let's see. So it's going, it's building, and let's see the final results. So beautiful. Wow. NonnyPOS point of sale system. Wow. With username and password. You can see the form. You can see how beautiful this login form look. This is what AI can do for you. As I say, you don't need to become an expert in coding before you can start building a web application. Once you have an idea and learn how to prompt AI to give you the best prompts to build something like this, you can get a very wonderful design. So you can see this design was I got it from AI. I didn't do any code. I didn't write much code here, but you can see the design, so powerful, so beautiful. So this is a login view. So let's log in. Let's go to our program.cs. There is some data we seeded, which is our login password. Yeah, so this is it. Username is admin. So we come here. Oh, sorry, wait. Okay. Username admin, and the password is what? Admin123. So let's see. But first of all, I'm going to use a wrong password to see if it will allow me to log in. Let me use admin1234 and see. Click on login. So you can see it show me invalid username or password. Let me go back again. Click on admin, click the right password, and click on what? Login. So you can see the dashboard. This is our dashboard. Our beautiful dashboard with the products, with the total stock, with the total sales, with today's sales. You can see the menu. We have dashboard, we have products, we have POS, we have sales, and if you want to log out, you can log out. So now let's start. Let's add our product. Click on add. Let's say we have a laptop. Price, let's put it as 500,000. Stock, let's put it at 1. And you save. Automatically, it will save that product to the product page. So now let's edit this particular product. You come here. I want to increase the stock by 2. Update the products. You can see the stock is 2. Okay, now let's go to sales and see. We want to record the sales. You come here, click on new sales, products. You can click on the laptop, the quantity, come here, 2 quantity, and let's say 200,000. So you can see the quantity here is 3, but what we have in the product is 2. Let's see if it will go. Not enough stock available. So you can see. Let's go back again. Quantity 1, amount paid, let's say 100,000. And click on complete sale. Automatically, you see amount paid is not enough because what we set as our price for that laptop is 500,000. So let's go further. Let's put on 500,000 here and click on complete. Automatically, sales completed, change, no change. So you can see now. Let's click on our POS and see. The same way, the products come here, quantity 1, 500,000 and complete sales. So you can see the sales history for this. Now we have laptop. We are able to purchase a laptop, quantity 1, and the date here is what? 20th of October 2026. You can see the time differences. So you can go back to your products or you can go back to your dashboard. Automatically, you can see your dashboard. We check product 1, total stock 0, total sales 2, today's sales 1 million naira. So this is how they design a POS web application. This is an inventory web application using what? ASP.NET Core MVC, and also with ChatGPT that gave us our prompt with this beautiful design and our codes. We're able to come out with this amazing and beautiful design. So these are dashboard, these are products view, these are sales view, and if you want to log out, you just click on log out, automatically log you out. So it will take you back to your what? Take you back to your login page. So this is NonnyPOS point of sales system. You can see how beautiful this is. Yeah, so I believe you have enjoyed, or I believe you enjoyed this video starting from the beginning to now, and I believe you're able to understand how to build a POS web application using ChatGPT and ASP.NET MVC. Very, very easy. So I have a coding class coming, C# coding for kids. If you are parents here watching me, please enroll your child here. The fee is 50,000 naira and the class starts in September. Your child will be able to understand how to build this type of web application. At the age range for the classes is between 10 to 16. But if you are here past that range, I want to learn coding, you can either DM me, put it in the comments, and I'll give you a chat up and we're able to discuss further. If you want me to teach you one-on-one, I do have one-on-one with students. But if you want me to do that, please make sure you put that in my comment. And don't forget to always watch my videos. If you have been watching my videos from beginning, this will be very easy for you, but ensure you watch my video from beginning to the ending. So this is a POS point of sale system using what? ChatGPT and ASP.NET MVC. So tell me in the comment section which web application I should build for you, because I've built an ATM web application and I've built what? A point of sales web application. So comment in the comment section and tell me, what do you want me to build? What do you want NonnyPOS to build? What do you want me to build for you? So I remain my humble self, NonnyPOS, and thank you guys for watching and staying to this end. So this took us about 30 to 45 minutes for us to design a proper web application. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share this video to people that are interested. And for you guys that are over there that are yet to start coding, time is going. Don't wait for someone to come and tell you to start coding or to start programming or to start learning AI. Start it now. Enroll now. Learn it now. Don't wait for your friends to come and tell you that, start. You can do it. It's very easy. This is very easy. It's not as difficult as before because there is AI now that make work easy, that will guide you on how to do things. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you start your programming class today. Follow me on my YouTube, follow me on my page, on my Facebook, NonnyPOS. I'm always available to answer all your questions. Just put it on the comment section and I'm there to answer your question. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for staying to this end. So see you in the next one. Bye.